Alright, everybody, here's the eBay package. It just arrived, which is the blue Novie. I'm sorry, everybody, couldn't buy in March just because I have to do everything so I can earn some money so we could get the emo for 20 more days until Easter. But guess what? The blue Novie from Spin Master has arrived, so we're going to be unboxing. It just arrived in late March. Well, it's already April, guys. Sorry about that. Trying to remove the eBay logo. Jesus Christ. This tripod isn't good. We might have to use a different tripod. Since I don't have much time for the other one. Here is the blue one. Also, I just bought the Los Angeles Metro bus. I don't know when it's arriving, but maybe on the 3rd. And here it is. Alright. It's here. Oopsie, sorry about that. Also, alright. So we got this one. Yes, a new robot's here. Cool, this is blue. Alright, let's unbox this. Elinor? Yeah. Let's see if I put batteries. If not, I might have to do this later. It's kind of similar to the green one. Well, there was no red, because all of the red Novies are sold out with the box. Only they have with the different, without instructions or a box. But this one has. We don't need the instructions. Oh wait, but there's a lot of them. Since this is the same robot. Let's see if I put batteries. Alright. Oopsies. I'm gonna have to do this quick. Alright, here's the robot. Well, I don't have much time right now because I have an appointment soon. Alright. I'll show you the others. It reminds me of the Harlem line, Hudson line, and New Haven line. Alright. What do you think? What do you think? What is your name?
Pony, Connecticut. My name is Shamrock. Pony, Connecticut.
Alright. The name is Pony, Connecticut, right, Rainbow Dash?
Yeah.
Ella the Fox?
Yeah. Yeah, I like it. I like it. I like it too.
Alright, the robot has arrived. Hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching.
Yeah, hope you like it. Yes, hope you guys like the unboxing video.
We will do the purple one just like you, Twilight.
Yeah.
Rarity.
Yeah.
Fluttershy. Pinkie Pie. And Applejack. Well, guys, that's my unboxing video of the blue Novie for today. So, thank you for watching. It just arrived in late March. Alright, so that'll be it. So, that'll be it.